Hi everyone! Today we will show you how to send your EVR token by using your Everus Mobile Wallet. As usual, you have to log into your Everus Wallet account. Before you send any EVR token, you will need to pair your secure key to a 6-digit PIN code for transaction. Get the secure key from your registered email. Now, you are ready to create a 6-digit transaction PIN code. And confirm your 6-digit code for transaction. You can finally use your newly created transaction PIN to authorize your EVR transaction with ease and speed. Now, back to the dashboard. Tap Send EVR. Then type in the receiver Everus wallet address or email ID. Enter the token amount you wish to send. Reconfirm your transaction to make sure the amount is correct. Here, you will need to key in your 6-digit PIN code for transaction. And that's it! Your transaction is complete. You have successfully sent your EVR token to your receiver. Till we meet again, bye!